To show you how to zip two lists in Python. So this is a pretty easy, this is going to be a pretty easy, quick lesson. This should not take much time at all. We're going to start out by, let's just clear the screen here. We're going to run the Python interpreter directly. This is way too simple to need to create an entire dedicated script. So anyways, we're going to create two lists or arrays in Python, right? So first one is going to be A, and it's going to have, it's going to have a few characters in here, right? And then we're going to create another list called B. It's going to have some integers in it, right? Now the whole idea is to zip these, so we're basically going to kind of interleave them, so they're going to alternate. So basically, it's as easy as just calling the zip function, and you can assign it to a new list. So just like this, you call zip AB, and that's it. Just return it to a new variable C. That's going to create a new list. So you pass your two lists you want to zip and assign them to a new list. So just do that. And now you can just say C if you're using the interpreter directly. Print C. Alright, so that's not exactly working as we expect it to work. This just created an object. Now, the reason that didn't work as expected is that we actually have to specify list. So we missed a quick part here. We are going to have to say list, so it's not quite as easy as just saying zip. We can pass that resulting object to the list constructor. So we just create a list, pass the result of the zip function to list, and now if we print out C, there we go. There's our list. There's our zipped list, I guess. And let's just print. You can also print it like that, and that is about it. This is actually a Python 3 behavior. So if we exit out of here and we just run Python 2, right? We are now able to say if we create our two lists here like this and print them here, all right, put them there like that. Now let's try creating this again. Let's try zipping these again, and let's see what's inside C now. There we go. So that works directly. So that would be like the old Python 2 way of doing things. So you take two lists, zip them. There's your resulting list. So what happens in Python 3? If you scroll up here to Python 3, which is really what everyone should be using these days. Python 3, when you call zip, it actually returns an iterator, and you can iterate over it. And if these happen to be a different size, it'll throw it'll throw an exception. Once you get to the end of the shortest list, right? So in Python 3, you can pass this iterator to a list constructor to create an actual list, which is what we got in Python 2. So just worth being aware of. Hopefully you found this useful. Feel free to give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you feel is appropriate. And feel free to leave a comment down below if you know something that I don't know. And you're probably going to want to subscribe, because not only do we have short little videos like this, but we have longer, more advanced videos that you're not going to want to miss. So definitely subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you don't miss new videos when we come out with them. And that's pretty much it for today. So as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys on the next video.